So your girl got some work to do. The shop got hit up this weekend, okay? We got some traffic, so I have a couple orders to do. I probably won't do every order in this video just because I'm waiting on some more jars to come. I'll write down what I have to do. This is a returning customer. She got her usual 5 cotton candy and 5 birthday cake. This person ordered 10 cherry. 10, bro. I'm definitely gonna need some more sugar too. Big 25-pound bag, and I'm down here now. This was actually a good purchase. I can't remember how much it was. It wasn't that much though, but I'm glad I bought that because it definitely held me down for a good minute. 5 cotton candy, 5 birthday cake, 10 cherry, 10 birthday cake, 1 strawberry, 1 chocolate, 1 marshmallow, 1 cherry, and 1 cotton candy. So the ones that have 1 by them are for retail orders, and then the big amounts are for wholesale orders. So I'm probably gonna have to wait to do the 10 cherry and 10 birthday cake because I don't have enough jars. Like I said, they should be here tomorrow. I get my lip scrub jars from Uline. I do have a lip gloss order to get done, but I may do that tomorrow. Everything is done. These right here are for 2 retail orders, and then this right here is a wholesale order. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean my tops off real quick, put the tops on, and then put the labels on these and get everything packed up. I will be packing these orders on camera with you guys, so I'll be right back. To pack up this sample order, she also ordered one of my wine tube glosses. So she purchased the samples Go Getter, Billionaire, Dream Chaser, and then a wine tube High Class, one of each. We have lots of samples available. This is her order right here. Samples and wand tubes are available. As y'all can see, I have a whole bunch. So the next order, she purchased 2 lip scrubs, cherry and cotton candy. And that is right here. Every flavor is available for purchase. So this customer ordered a bunch of samples, lip scrubs. She got a wand tube and a syringe and pipette kit. And she also was kind enough to leave a comment. Let me show y'all what she said. So sweet. Thank you for your inspiration. I can't wait to try my samples. See you on YouTube. And it's so crazy because in my mind, I be thinking that I don't have customers that watch my YouTube videos. But obviously I do. Like, I really thought that I didn't until the other week when I have received my first comment in a long time. Like, it's been a while since I received a comment, so I didn't know. I'm like, everybody must be coming from Instagram, but I do have some folks that watch my YouTube videos, so I appreciate the support. Thank you so much for ordering. It truly means a lot. Like, it truly does. Thank you so much. So she got the samples: billionaire, wealthy, millionaire, ambitious. I hope you love your samples. Also got a marshmallow lip scrub, a chocolate lip scrub, strawberry, the gloss trendsetter, and our wand tube. So this one right here. It is peppermint scented and it comes with the natural rose petals. And then the last thing she purchased was a syringe and pipette kit. It comes with 3 syringes and 6 pipettes. See, this is why you always gotta double check, because she actually purchased 2 millionaire samples. You know I gotta write back. I gotta say something back. And then the last order that is being shipped today is a wholesale order from a returning customer. She got the lip scrubs, cotton candy, and birthday cake, 5 of each. Be sure to store the lip scrub somewhere where it is room temperature. There is a possibility that they will be oily during the shipping process, but they are still perfectly fine. Just give them a nice little wipe off and store them at room temperature and they'll be good. It is 3 o'clock, post office closes at 5, and I want to get these shipped off today. So I'm gonna stop talking, pack everything up. I hope that you guys are enjoying this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like to shop, there will be a link down below to my website. But yeah, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you'll be notified every time I upload. And yeah, let's go ahead and get to packing.